It is opening morning of Missouri youth turkey season. We're sitting here in a real good spot. We're in a homemade blind that we put up about 2 weeks ago, basically overlooking a food plot in between two areas of timber. And then we've got a big creek to the south of us, and they roost all up and down this creek. The sun's just starting to come up, and we know we've got at least two gobblers straight west of us, and then there's some back to the east a little bit. What we're hoping is when they fly down, just because of the creek, and we've got kind of a natural funnel on each side of us, is that they're going to clear through this plot. We've had the Browning cameras out for a couple of weeks, and we know that they're using this area, walking back and forth. We've got several on camera. We've got the decoys out about 15 yards in front of us, and we actually put them a little bit farther up than what we probably normally would, just because we want to make sure they get to our end of the food plot. We can't stay out for a real long time this morning because we got some baseball games here in a little bit to get to. But I think we're going to have some good luck here in a little bit. I don't think they're all the way flown down yet. I still think there's a couple up in the roost, but they're definitely active and definitely vocal this morning. So we're hoping for some good luck. Got him, buddy! Yeah!
All right, we had another successful youth turkey hunt. It happened within the first hour. He got it down at about 6:55, couple minutes before 7 o'clock. As you can tell, we got the blind back behind us. We had been hearing gobblers about all morning, almost as soon as we got in, and we were in probably an hour before daylight. And we knew we heard one big boy over across the way there in the timber, and fortunately, we had some luck with us, and John made a great shot. We got a big double-bearded Missouri stud here, probably 1.25 inches or maybe longer spurs. Just a heck of a shot. It actually was coming straight at us, and the way it was working its way straight in, I knew it was going to walk just right up straight to the blind. So John actually shot it at right about 40 and just folded it and dropped it. Had a tremendous shot. Couldn't be happier. This is the good stuff. Doing the actual harvest and getting out and hunting, that's great, but being able to share it with my son out on the family farm, there's nothing like this. This is a proud daddy moment for sure, and fortunately for us, we've got many more of them, and hopefully daddy gets the same amount of luck here in a couple weeks. So what do you think, stud?
I think I'm gonna eat some turkey.